guys, it's me, Maddie, and today I'm going to be doing a slime scammer thing. People have been doing it, so I just found some old slimes and I was just like, whatever. I'm way off the trend now, so we're just going to pretend like this is all a skit, okay? Nothing ever happened. So, today in the mail, I got this box. Because I ordered slime, and I got this box. So, sorry guys, I'm just kidding. So, this is what the inside looks like. Do you guys see anything? I don't know if I can see. Okay, so, there's this, this. Okay, so I guess we'll go over extras. I got a Nutella badge. It's an iron, it looks like. Yeah, it's an iron. That's weird. I mean, thanks. Kind of weird. We got some sprinkles. That's nice, but looks like they used it. It looks like it used to be filled up to the top of it. They used like all of it, and then they're just like whatever. They would use my package, but that's okay, I guess. I mean, so let's start off with our first slime, which is like this foam bead slime. So it's in these like slimy glue containers, and it's literally all three same slime. Oh, okay then, but just like different containers. So there's two of the same containers. There's these containers, and then this one says like slimy gloop on it. So yeah, I mean, I guess that's okay. So, and then there's another one in like a sauce container, which is kind of weird, but okay. So I'm just gonna take it out. Here it is. So, oh, it's starting to get crunchy. Okay. Hey. Let's see if it pokes. Not really. Usually I do like tests to see if it pokes, and if it pokes really well, I'll show you guys, but this one like makes no sounds. It's mainly just like a sizzling sound. Kind of like, can you guys see that? Where's that? It's very crunchy, so I'm gonna like, can you do that? It's sizzling. So it's very sizzly, but it leaves a wet residue on your hands, which I'm not the biggest fan of, but I mean, that's okay. And there's like, it's like a weird color. It was actually supposed to be like a bright neon purple, but it's like a gray. It's kind of weird. But maybe it's just supposed to be an extra. Like, my purple slime looked exactly like this, except it's purple. But maybe this is... It can't be an extra though, so... Maybe if there's something in the box I missed? I'll check after. Maybe that'll all make sense in the end. Okay, so I'm just gonna put these back in the containers because this seems like the right thing to do. This one doesn't even fill up all the way. Scam. I'm pretty sure this is scam, literally. So, when these slime goes down, So these are 2 ounces, and this is also 2 ounces. So this is just 6 ounce. No, these are both. This is like 4 ounces. It's not that bad, but it's kind of like ridiculous. So I actually think I'm gonna do the slime in the Ziploc because it looks interesting. It's like really. It feels like it's gonna be really sticky or something. So I'm interested. And if it is, I'm gonna go run and grab my. Okay. Wow, this texture's nice, actually. Actually has a nice texture. So I'm just gonna kind of pop it out. Sorry guys, I'm just gonna pop this out. Just trying to get it out of the Ziploc. What's this? I kind of don't like it how it's in a Ziploc, not a container, but like, I get it, like, you can't always store containers and stuff. Actually, sometimes I reuse containers from like old slimes that I don't want anymore, or that are just like bad. I just throw the slime away, not the container, because I can still reuse the container. Just because it was bad doesn't mean I can't reuse the container. So this is it. Also leaves like a really wet residue. It kind of feels like clay was added in it, but I don't think it was. It smells like conditioner. And it's like kind of sticky. It has pretty good pokes. I'm gonna try to make a bubble or like some good crackling sounds. So, oh god, I failed. Okay, so let me just retry that. Ready? Okay. It's not very crackly. It's kind of rippy, honestly. Like, okay, it's really stretchy in that sense, but like what? Like I can't. Like, that's really hard to make those kind of bubbles, you know? You know what I mean? When you hold slime like this and then you kind of fold it over, make a swirl after that. It's really hard to make these kind of bubbles, and it's actually like kind of like really sticky. Like I don't like my slimes like that. It's not really sticky, but it's like pretty sticky and underactivated, I think. But it's like it has a very creamy texture. Like I feel like it's like a butter slime or something. And it's like I can't explain it. It's like heavy. No, it's like it's very light. It's very, very light. Like they have like foaming handles or something. I mean, I have a secret mixture, and it feels like the secret mixture that I use. And I'm gonna share the secret mixture someday when I get some more glue to make slime. So I will share the secret mixture, but it's very sacred. It's a sacred secret. Okay, sorry. So, this one's okay. I'm gonna add some sprinkles because why not? This tanner's really hard to open, so I'm just gonna pinch. I can't even stick both my fingers. Let me just, okay. So I'm just gonna kind of do that. These are added like 12. There. Yeah, I mean, this slime it's okay. I wouldn't really recommend this shop though because interesting shop. Very interesting. But I can deal with it. It's not that bad. I just wish it was a little bit more higher quality stuff. So they asked me if I wanted to pick an extra. So I picked a neon bright slime. This was neon pink, like light, bright fluorescent pink. This is not. This is like a light pink. Come on. So this is the neon brights one. This is not neon. I'm not going to take out the whole thing because there's a lot in here. Actually, I'm just going to take out half because I'll still get the same results. Okay, she thought she was going to moisturize it and just make it better. I've actually reviewed the neon brights. They're actually a lot better than this. I mean, she had just a little bit of confetti glitter and some gems and stuff, but you know those really jiggly slimes? Those water slimes? I could stick my thumb through it easily. And when I squish it, it breaks. See okay, so and it's not stretchy. That was stretchy. Can't even stretch it fast. And it barely even goes together. And it's thick but jiggly. And it very wet. And doesn't stretch, and it breaks into pieces when you try to stretch it. And, when I put my thumbs through, see, it left a hole. Ready? I'll do it again. I'll even do it again. What is that? There should not be a hole when I squish it. So, I mean, it's good for poking. But that's it, really. Can't stretch. Or it does stretch, but when you go really slow. You put any force, any slime should be able to go out that and still stretch. It's one thing if you're trying to be like that or something, but I'm barely even pulling. I'm just going like that. And don't start close because it'll just rip easier. So don't recommend this place. I'm not gonna say the name or anything, but really sucks. Don't recommend. Don't buy. Yeah. Just don't buy. Ugh. Get off me. So, yeah, this shop is okay. I wouldn't recommend it. If you guys like this video, give it a like. If you guys want to subscribe, subscribe. If you guys want to turn on post notifications, turn on post notifications. If you guys want to see more videos, subscribe. Easy. Oh, it's actually kind of good for fart sounds. Okay, that's not really satisfying. Ugh, it's also really sticky though. Okay. So I think that concludes this video. Remember, like, share, subscribe, comment, yeah. You know the drill. And I'll probably see you guys tomorrow. Also, remember how I did a spicy meal challenge? Yesterday. Yeah, my tongue stung for not my tongue, sorry, my lips tingled for 2 hours after that. So, if you like really spicy things, go ahead. You'll probably love it. It's really spicy. It's you made a whole bag of hot Cheetos, Takis, Dynamite Doritos, mix those all together, put a full bag, all of them together, mix them up, mash them up, put them all together in a chip, added sriracha, and then put it into a noodle, or forget the chip part, and then like made it into a noodle, that's what it would be like. It would burn. Like it literally burned. And like they probably put some like Tabasco or like nuclear sauce or something. It was spicy. It tastes good though, but it was spicy, which I am not a big fan of. Even though I knew that it was gonna be spicy, I didn't realize it's gonna be that spicy. Okay, I think I'm gonna stop this video. So make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Also, I've said that like 3 times. I'm sorry. Also, do you guys like my new look? I will do a whole video like this. I don't know what the video is, but I might do like a testing 5-minute crafts or something. So if you guys want to see that, subscribe. Goodbye now.